Hello darlings, Nana Stella here with another tutorial for you. We're going to be using our Abha head wrap, available in our Made in Brooklyn collection. Alright, so you're going to unfold your head wrap, of course, and then you're going to fold it in half lengthwise, making sure the print is on the outside. Then you're going to place it at the back of your head. Now this next step is important. You want to make sure one end is shorter than the other, and then you're going to tie your first knot. Now the first knot placement is important because it's going to secure the entire style, so make sure it's a nice snug fit and tuck in anything that needs to be tucked in so you have a nice frame of the face. And if anything is left out at the top, just fold it over and tuck it in wherever it fits. So now you're going to take the shorter piece and flip it to the opposite side, and then you're going to start twisting it into the longer side. Now as you're twisting the shorter piece, make sure you only see the print on the outside, right? Then you're going to keep twisting, and then once you get closer to the end, you're going to nest the shorter piece into the longer piece and then twist it a little bit more and then wrap it around your gorgeous head. All right, twist it a little bit more, and now when you get to the top, you're going to tuck this piece in wherever it fits. Now I like this little part here because this tuck gives this side a little more height, which makes the style look so regal. Then you're gonna finish tweaking, and then there's the full look, darlings. Okay, what should we call this? I'm thinking halo braided twist, something like that. Let me know. Okay, bye.